Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're going to unbox and fit this brand new kitchen tap from Appaso. Okay, so we've been sent this product. It's a brand new black kitchen tap for our kitchen. Obviously it's a kitchen tap. So in the video we're literally just going to do an unboxing, see what we get included, and then I'll run through a quick fitting video just to install it just over there in our kitchen. So first of all, let's have a look what we get inside the box with the tap. Okay, so foam protector on top to keep it protected, obviously. There is a little tip diagram there. We've got the instructions and some tips for installation there included as well. So in the box, you can hopefully see there, we've got the foam surrounding the tap, so it's nice and protected during transit and during delivery, and then the tap itself. So we've got the tap itself, we've got the fittings underneath the tap connectors, so they will go onto an existing connection in your kitchen, and then you've got the fitting there that obviously goes through the hole within your kitchen sink, and will hopefully just bolt in and detach. You can see this tap comes with the extendable hose that you can use within the sink. That's what I wanted in terms of our kitchen. We don't have one at the moment, and that's what I wanted to be able to do. So you can see as well, hopefully, we will show this once installed, but you can see this twists. So you can turn that, and then you've also got this in the actual hose head there as well. So what we'll do, we'll jump over to the kitchen sink, we'll get it fitted in there, and we'll see what it's like. Okay, as you can see, installation is all done and dusted now. The sink's working, we can rotate the sink like this. And we've got the adjustable hose that comes out of here, so we can kind of squirt around the sink with. And then obviously the tap itself actually works. So let me just show you in action. So we've got cold coming out of there, and we can switch to the shower effect. It's got the shower effect, so you can kind of spray around the sink or rinse some dishes off. And so that goes back into there, and turn that to normal. And then we can switch it to hot water on the tap. And that will obviously do exactly the same for tap water. So on here as well, you can see there's kind of a stop button. If you stop that, you can actually stop the water there as well as using the tap. So if you need to stop it for any reason while you're using the hose, you can stop it, which is a really good feature. Back at the release that again, and you're away again. So again, turn the tap off, all working as expected. Really good job, really lovely tap. Looks great and really simple to install. Okay, the new kitchen tap all fitted now, looking great. The instructions that came with it were really good in terms of giving you a good idea on what to do, but quite simple to fit anywhere into an existing kitchen or a new kitchen. Everything you needed for the tap came with it. Obviously you need your tools to install it, so an adjustable wrench and a screwdriver, and other bits and bats. If you're doing a new install, obviously you would need more, but for a replacement, it's quite a simple process. The tap itself seems really good quality. Obviously with the extension hose on there gives you that extra flexibility and capability with the tap, and being able to rotate the tap as well, you know, move the actual tap head around makes life a little bit easier in the sink as well. So overall, a really great product, really easy to install, and would definitely recommend. If you've liked the video or at least been informative, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Any questions or comments, please drop them into the comment section. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews and home DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.